Okay. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
We
afternoon.
are here, okay. So may I know who is live right now? Is Dharmendra and Abhay Singh. Shubham is Adi is
And
also joined us. And
yes,
Abhay, where are you from?
he's my younger brother. He's from
Put on,
Fatehpur.
put on a chat.
Okay. Away.
Hello. Uh-huh.
Abhay, where are you from? Put on a
Hello.
chat. Yeah.
Reply in chat section.
Guys, Dharmendra, Abhay, Adi, where are you from, guys? Can you hear me, guys? If yes, write on yes on chat, please, fast, so we can start SEO session as soon as possible. Okay.
Please respond. Hello.
Okay. Uh, might be I'm not, they are not able to hear me properly. That's why they are not responding.
I think so.
Abhay
I
and
can hear
Dharmendra,
you,
can you hear
but
me?
I don't know.
Hello.
Away. Can you hear?
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Great. Okay. Great. So I'm going to start a session. Okay. Hope this is
Yeah.
recording.
Perfect.
We are recording this session. So if anyone want
Yes.
to have session recording sessions, we can give it later. Okay.
Yep.
So, okay, guys, I'm going to teach you how digital marketing agency works. My name is Nishan, first of all, and I have experience of 5 years to work with the reputative digital marketing agency. Right now, I'm working with the uh, reputative digital marketing company in Gurgaon. I'm from Gurgaon actually. So, right here in this session, I'm going to teach you the tactics and strategic SEO. Later on we will move on marketing automation analytics and there are a number of things, but today's session is strategic SEO. Okay. So here I'm not see first of all I'm not going to tell you to buy courses from me, because I am not the someone, because there are a lot of people who gave sessions and in the end they used to tell you they want to they will offer you some courses to buy courses from them, but I'm not going to tell you. I'm just going to share my information, what I have learned in last 5 years. So I just need from you is to pay attention, put a right mind in learning format and energy format. Okay. So stick around with
Yeah.
me. I will be very quick, and whatever questions you have in your mind, don't ask in the middle. Note down when I will take in the end. And at the end on the session, we will be having a great learning. Okay. So I'm just going
Sure.
to start. If you are with me right now, so just put on a chat. Yes. Abhay and Dharmendra and Shubham, if you can hear me properly, my voice is clear, I am clear. So please put on a chat. आप एक बार आप चैट में डाल दो ताकि आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हो. राइट. आदि एंड अबे एंड धर्मेंद्र.
Yes, I can hear.
Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay. So here's a screen with you in front of you guys as strategic SEO with Nishan. Okay. In upcoming days, we are going to cover these topics. I'm going to start with today theoretical knowledge, keyword research. Okay, we will cover this part, theoretical knowledge and keyword research for today. And later on, next day, the day after tomorrow, we will learn all these things: SEO fundamentals, SEO on page, off page, technical SEO, and content blogs, etc. Everything. Okay. Okay. So first of all, these are the things. See, first of all, we have to understand what is SEO. SEO basically search engine optimization. That means we have to optimize your web pages, website in search engine. Okay, with certain Google rules, which is Shubham, can you mute everyone so I can this noise behind the.
Yeah, I have muted. No
Okay,
issue.
great,
You
thank
can
you.
continue.
Thank you. Okay, there are few search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. You can see, but Google have share a lot of lot of part of in overall 92%, and Bing having a 2% and Yahoo 1.87. There are a lot of other search engines having 0.65 like this. Okay, so these are the search engine Google, Bing, Yahoo, and SEO means we have to optimize our website in search engine like Google with certain Google rules. Okay. See, before we jump into SEO, let's know कि search engine how it works, कि Google कैसे काम करता है, right? So I'm going to move on. See, if as you all know, Google. See, first of all, I'm going to teach you some bookish language as well. I don't know कि आपको कितनी knowledge है, how much you have learned in SEO, how much you have learned digital marketing. So I'm just going to start with from scratch level, but because I don't know what you know or not. Okay, so I'm going to start, and later on I will come on the strategic part, which is how agency works. Okay, so now Google born in 1998. Now it's 22 years, right?
Yes.
जब गूगल नया नया क्रिएट हुआ था, नया नया बना था, everyone was able to cheat Google, and there are a lot of people earn money and minting money to cheat Google, but not now. Google have its own brain. गूगल का खुद का अपना एक इन्होंने अपना एक ब्रेन डेवलप किया है, एक आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस खुद बन चुकी है. ओके.
Yes.
So
Okay.
earlier what is happening is uh, color and color. Right now these are both same term. Color and color, which is COLOUR and COLOR, are
Yes.
same. But earlier it was different. If you have to write color, it was different meaning, and COLOR has having a different meaning. But not now, because Google has changed his technology and everything is sorted now. See, earlier what is happening, synonyms are different. Right now Google automatically takes the synonyms, but earlier if you have to write bar, अगर आप bar लिखते थे, bars is different, beer garden is different, hangout is different, lounge is different, nightclub is different. But if you can see, the meaning of all the words are same. The point is,
Yes.
earlier Google was not so much advanced, but now everything is technology based, having now you cannot cheat Google in any kind of term. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, what is happening over here, how Google get advanced itself. If you write down, okay, if you write down anything, what is C, Google give you some suggestions, right? What is CEA, what is CAP, because he Google trying to read your mind. Google trying to read your mind, ki how they can catch you. Okay. So the point is, uh, see, all the suggestions are showing you it is already searched on. There are a lot of people. There are a lot of other people have already searched this. See, like this is what is CA, cap bill, computer, cloud computing. This is already searched by some other people. That's why they are searching on your browser as well. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's start with how Google works. Okay, Google's search result today are based on AI, artificial intelligence. गूगल के खुद के रोबोट्स बन चुके हैं जो दे आर कमांडिंग दिस, कि हम एक चीज को कमांड देंगे वो सब पे इम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो गूगल हाउ इट वर्किंग राइट नाउ. And second point is it tries map your search pattern to other people to similar to you and your own history. The in this screen I have showed you what is happening over here. जो आपने सर्च किया, ठीक है, वही सर्च आप दूसरों के भी लैपटॉप में देख सकोगे, क्योंकि देयर लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैन सर्च द सेम एज वेल. अगर मैं आजकल देख रहा हूँ कि कोरोना वायरस के बारे में काफी गूगल में न्यूज चल रही है, तो अगर मैं सी लिखूंगा तो माइट बी देयर लॉट ऑफ सजेशन कम्स इन कोरोना वायरस. if I start word with C, what is the status of coronavirus? अगर what is this लिखता हूँ तो might be there are lot of examples can come. Okay. And one thing
Yes.
more,
Okay.
in the last point you can see there is a possibility that two people cannot see the same result in the world. See, Shubham is in Allahabad, you are in somewhere like Delhi, I am in Gurgaon. If I search the same thing, this possibility, no one can see the same result. Everyone having a different result, because it is all about the locations you have. It is all about the languages you have chosen. It is all about a different topic, different terms. Okay.
Okay.
Shubham, this is recording now.
Yes, I have gotten this.
Okay, great. See, if you search for order pizza online, right? Uh, it,
Yes.
Adi, Dharmendra, and Abhay and Shubham. I will also search order pizza online and see what the
Okay.
result you will get. I am going to search order pizza online, and you also
Okay.
search and see the you are you getting the same result.
Let's check.
Okay, there are a lot of options coming: Pizza Hut, Domino's, PizzaHut.co.in. Can we? Are you with me, guys?
Yes,
Have you searched the
I can see
order
also.
pizza online?
Yes, yes, I can see also the on story for doing
Okay.
pizza.
That means if you have searched order pizza online, you have got another other result. And Shubham, what you got it? Shubham, are you with me? Might be disconnected. Okay. So no issue. My point to you is to say this: everyone is not getting the same result. Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay. So see, this is a secret is nobody is going to tell you is whatever you search in Google. Okay,
Yes.
whatever you search on Google, it is only 4% available in the internet.
Okay.
Whatever the information Google is having, it is only 4%. What is
Okay.
you are all thinking what is all about 96%? 96% is dark web. Dark web is a different theme. Dark web is that which is not indexed in Google, which is not indexed in the internet. That simply means it includes the criminal activities. It includes other activities like hacking. There are a lot of people hacking the system. They are using the dark web. But this is not our point. This is a only point to learn to understand what is dark web and what is the Google deep web. Okay. So I just going to tell you just the point to understand is Google having only 4% information of internet, but still you can see Google having all the answers of your question. Whatever you search, whichever whatever questions you search in Google, they will have all the answers.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See, now are you wondering ki, how Google able to manage to make such a huge data big database? How he managing? How वो कैसे इन चीजों को manage कर रहा है? इतना बड़ा डाटाबेस है क्योंकि लॉट ऑफ पीपल, अगर मैं इंडिया की बात करूं तो 130 करोड़ बंदे हैं. अगर 130 करोड़ में से अगर 50 करोड़ बंदे भी ऑनलाइन हैं तो दे हैव देयर प्रोडक्ट्स, ब्लॉग्स, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. See, are you guys, if you are working on digital marketing, might be you have planned to start your website, to start your product, to start your blogs. तो गूगल कैसे मैनेज करता है इन सब चीजों को, वो पॉइंट लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट पॉइंट्स. ओके. गूगल हैव एल्गोरिथम. गूगल ने अपने एक चीजें सेट कर दी है कि अगर ये चीज होगी तो ये चीज होगी. ऑटोमेटिक रूल सेट कर दिए हैं. अगर कोई अपनी वेबसाइट को लाइव करता है, अगर अपनी वेबसाइट को होस्ट करता है तो ये चीज है तो ये चीज हो जाएगी. ओके, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड हाउ इट हैपेंस. सी, can you see the screen on spiders?
Yes,
Yes, I can.
we can see.
Yeah. What is spider? I'm just going to teach you how Google able to handle this data. Google have created such kind of spiders. They behave like spider crawls. We can say bot as well. We can say web crawls as well. What they do? The first thing Google does, you know, the job of spider is to go to the web pages, to go whatever the person is going to live his website. What Google do? Google send his spider to that website. Basically, the motto to read the website properly. Basically, motto है
Yeah.
कि गूगल अपने स्पाइडर वेब क्लास को वेबसाइट में भेजता है. उसके जितने भी पेजेस हैं, हाउ मेनी पेजेस द वेबसाइट हैविंग, रीड, वो वेब क्लास रीड करता है उसको एंड ट्राई एंड स्टोर करता है गूगल के पास. गूगल हैविंग ऑन स्टोर, सर्वर स्टोर, जहां पे गूगल अपनी सारी इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर करता है. ओके,
Okay. Okay.
आर यू विद मी गाइस? What
Yes.
about others? Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
देखो क्या होता है कि जैसे एक गूगल ने अपना एक क्रॉल बेचा किसी की वेबसाइट में, राइट? वो क्या
Okay.
होगा कि वो सारी जितने भी पेजेस होंगे, जितने भी लिंक्स होंगे, उसमें सबको रीड करेगा एंड जितनी भी उस वेबसाइट में इंफॉर्मेशन होगी उसको स्टोर करेगा गूगल के सर्वर पे. एंड गूगल क्या करेगा, उसको अपने सर्वर पे, गूगल पे, अपने लाइव प्लेटफॉर्म पे वो लाइव कर देगा उसको, ताकि जिसको वो इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, जिसके लिए हम अपने कस्टमर्स के लिए अपनी वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं, तो वो देख सके. ओके. The based on the links, the basically motto of the web crawls is to collect the information and store the information in the Google servers. Okay. Whatever result you see in Google, that all indexed. Okay, I just giving you example. I am opening any website. Have you heard about Digital Deepak?
Yes, I have it.
Okay, great. See, just can you see the screen? I have just opened the Digital Deepak website. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. See, let's suppose Google crawl come to this website, and what they do, they will read each and everything over here. वो जितना भी जो भी इस वेबसाइट में होगा वो सारा रीड करेंगे इसको, ठीक है? एंड सी, there are a lot of links over here. If you click over here, all the web crawlers will click on this link and they will read these pages as well. वो जितने भी लिंक्स होंगे फर्स्ट पेज पे वो उसको भी स्टडी करेंगे। जैसे हमने ये वाला पेज खोला, ठीक है, अब इस पेज में जाते हैं टॉप 6 एंटरप्रेन्योर स्किल्स, वो इस पेज को भी रीड करेगा and all the information gets stored by Google server only. Okay, so let's move on. You got all the points? Okay.
Yes.
See, let's start with, now I'm going to start with the keyword research. See,
Okay.
how keyword research work, I'm just going to tell you there are two kind of keyword is long tail keywords and short tail keywords, right? I'm just
Okay.
going to tell you what is short tail and what is long tail. Okay.
Okay.
Just let me open the the Google Sheet so we can write all the things over here. See, okay. See, short tail keywords first of all. Let's take example, digital marketing. This is short tail keyword.
Okay.
See, uh, short tail keyword is digital marketing. If you are searching, if you are putting a digital marketing code, there are a lot of terms will come. There are digital marketing certification will come. There are digital marketing companies will come. Digital marketing who wants services of digital marketing, that will come. See, if I search digital marketing institute in Delhi, that means we are targeting institute, and we are targeting institute in Delhi. Let's take example. Uh, Digital marketing course in short term. This is also short tail keyword. Can you see the Google Sheet where I'm writing this?
Yes, we can.
Okay, yeah. See this digital marketing course in Gurgaon. This is a long tail keyword. This is in the short tail keywords you have written digital marketing course. Google will understand the person who is searching, who is writing in Google digital marketing course, is looking for any course. Okay, but where? If you write down in the below keyword digital marketing course in Gurgaon, that means Google will understand he is that person looking a course in Gurgaon specific location. See, digital marketing course, having a broad term, and digital marketing course in specific term. You have specific the location, you have specific the term what you need from the Google is. Okay, let's take another example. In short term is shoes online, like buy shoes online, right? Now
Okay.
shoes, uh, see, buy Nike shoes online. Okay, see, here you can see buy Nike shoes online, शूज ऑनलाइन, बाय शूज ऑनलाइन, बट यहाँ पे आपने स्पेसिफिक कर दिया कि यू आर लुकिंग फॉर ओनली नाइकी शूज, नाइकी शूज. Okay, so see, basically the motto to teach you there are two kind of short tail keyword is short tail and long tail. We every time we have to use long tail keywords. Long tail keywords having a benefit to rank on Google earlier as compared to the short tail keywords. If you start ranking on the long tail keywords, you will start ranking on short tail keyword as well after some period of time. Okay. Okay, let's take some another example. Um, like if I'm looking for dentist in any dentist, um dentist. See, dentist now, dentist in Gurgaon. Okay, like hair transplant. If someone, in someone looking for hair transplant, now hair transplant in Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai. Okay, see, if I talk, but let's come to this point: digital marketing course and digital marketing
Coaching Gurgaon.
course in Gurgaon. There are five. If I teach you digital marketing course in Gurgaon, digital marketing certification in Gurgaon, digital marketing training institute in Gurgaon. Okay, let me write institute course certifications, or you can write is, let's see. Let's suppose this. Which is, if you are targeting your audience is who wants to learn digital marketing, what is the best keyword for you is digital marketing institute, digital marketing course, or digital marketing certification. You have to identify. I will teach you how to identify. See, uh, let's make another slide over here. Okay, this term of search volume. Okay, search volume
Okay.
means how many people are searching these keyword monthly or yearly. See, like digital marketing course, digital marketing training, digital marketing certification. Okay, see, let's compare these three keywords. I'm just going to open Google Ads.
Okay.
So I will teach you how to identify the right keyword, which is more convertible, which is more you can convert your clients or customers. Okay. Just let it open first. See, in SEO, uh, choosing a right keywords is the basic, the most important thing, primary thing. If you choose a right keyword, it will help you, because SEO takes 3 to 6 months to rank the website. If you are choosing the right keywords,
Okay.
you have to work on that 3 to 6 months to rank the website. अगर आप गलत कीवर्ड यूज करते हो, चूज करते हो, तो आपकी वो 3 से 6 महीने वाली मेहनत है वो बेकार जा सकती है. तो you have to you know uh, to be very careful and choose the right keywords. Like, okay, And see, every keyword should having, 4 words at least. Just a minute. There's something problem from my side. From now it is working. I'm just logging this.
Nishant, we have 2 minutes more to end this meeting. After that, it will end
Now it's 40
automatically.
minutes. Now it's 40 minutes had completed.
Yeah, almost.
Okay. My session is also going to complete is just completed in
Okay.
2 minutes. Okay. See, uh, if you go to the Google ad, there's a keyword planner. Shubham, I think we have to restart the session again because there I need 5 to 10 minutes more to make comfortable, to make all these participants to comfortable, and I will give the homework to them as well so he can work on that. Okay.
Okay, so let me end this meeting and I will restart and let's connect again and start this session. Fine.
Okay. Yeah, please.
Okay, so I'm
Okay.
ending the meeting now and we will continue within 2 minutes.
Okay. Okay.